Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to create a design, go to videos and click on mobile video if you want to do so. And then first thing that you're going to do is add a background. Then you're going to go to text and then click on add a heading and paste the text that says would you rather, or you can type it down. And then you can position this text at the above level. And then you could add two more options. Option A, such as live in space or live underwater. Like this, so you can see that I have a question, would you rather? Option A is live in space and option B is live underwater. Now for a would you rather question, you could add a timer as well. So you're going to go to the elements tab and search for countdown, and then you can select any video you want to do so. So I'm going to go with this one, and once you add the video, you're going to simply drag and drop it over here, and then you're going to click on background remover. Now you can see the background has been removed. You can drag it over here and then you can spread it till whenever the timer gets completed. So now you can see that we have a nice question that says, would you rather live in space, live underwater? And we have 5-second time for it. And you can also tweak in some more edits such as animations. You can add some more text. You can even change your countdown. So further, you can tweak in your own edits. So that was basically how you can create a would you rather video in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.